Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. And I know you guys are like, are you seriously back in Dollar General? Yes, we are back in Dollar General because I figured out today that I missed a couple things yesterday that I wanted to try out today. So when I checked my account today, I noticed a couple new coupons. I have a $3 off of 10 beauty coupon. I'm thinking it's a beauty bag coupon, an exclusive coupon, so I'm pretty sure that not everyone will have it. But I was like, ooh, this looks interesting because Unilever coupons include Dove products. And then my girl on Instagram, I will put her Instagram up on the screen. She did my $5 challenge yesterday, but she killed it because she was able to go to a DG Go store and check out and get some additional savings. And so I was like, oh, we're about to do these deals again, but we're going to get us some DG Go savings. All right, you guys, so now let's get into this Dove deal that I want to try, and I'm honestly not sure at all how this is going to work. I won't be using any paper coupons. I just want to take advantage of the DG Go savings. If you guys are not familiar with DG Go, I'm actually not familiar with DG Go at all. This will actually be my first time using it, but we're going to learn together. So DG Go is the self-checkout option where you can actually scan your items on your app in the Dollar General stores. It is not available at all locations, but I was able to go on the Dollar General website and figure out which stores in my area had DG Go. So you scan your items and you get an extra 10% savings, and you can use self-checkout so you don't have to go to a traditional cashier. You can actually just go to the self-checkout station and check out that way, and you get an extra 10% off. So we're going to try that today, and that is why I'm at this location. So the first thing I actually wanted to pick up that I missed on yesterday was the Ivory body wash. That is $1.25. It goes right here. Clearly there is none in the store, so I must have missed it, or maybe this is a brand new coupon that just came out today. But I have $1.25 off digital coupon that makes that absolutely free. So you cannot beat free body wash. So if you have that coupon, definitely take advantage of that. It's a great free item to pick up now, or you can pick it up with a 5 off of 25. So you guys probably already know that Dove has been on a price cut for a while, since July 19th, where you will save $2 when you spend $8 on Dove participating products. Well, I want to see what happens when we stack that with the additional $3 in savings for spending $10 with this Unilever coupon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy $10 worth of Dove. You can buy what you like, but I'm going to get 2 of these body washes for $4.50. And then we're also going to get one of the $1 bar soaps. That is going to total up to $10 in Dove. So now we're going to grab one of these Gain fabric softeners that I wasn't able to grab yesterday. So these are $3 I showed you guys, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making them only $1 for the 64-ounce bottle. I am also going to grab a Gain liquid laundry detergent. So these are $3.95. We have a $2 digital coupon, making them only $1.95. All right, you guys. So I had to switch it up a little bit. And this is what I decided to get because my store did not have the single bars of the Dove. So I switched it up so that we could still stay around the $10 mark. So I want to see what's going to happen with this. So I'm thinking with this instant savings, because I'm using the DG Go app, it's not calculating the instant savings and the 3 off of 10 coupon. So I might actually be better off going to a regular cash register with the Dove. So the Dove items, I have a total of $10.25 in Dove. So this is $4.50. This is $3.50. And then the deodorant is $2.25. So that's $10.25 in Dove. We're not going to use any manufacturer coupons, but if you want to throw in some manufacturer coupons, Lord, that would make this such a better deal. So if you have like that $2 off of 2 paper coupon from the beauty booklet, add that in, because the way it should work is these should total up to $10.25. If we get $2 in instant savings, that's $8.25. And then if we get the $3 off of 10, that is $5.25 for these Dove products. And if we add in any manufacturer coupons, like an additional $2 off, that's going to be $3.25 for 3 Dove products. And then we have our Gain products that we did not grab yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and keep them in this transaction, and we'll see how everything works together. So let's go up to the front and see how it works. All right, you guys, so I am out of the store and I checked out with these 5 items using the DG Go app. So my subtotal came up to $8.48 for all 5 items, which is not a bad deal at all. But I actually think I would have been a little bit better by like 20 something cents if I had checked out at a regular store, because I did not get my $2 in instant savings using the DG Go app. And I'm not surprised by that because the DG app never calculates instant savings and store coupons together properly. So when I used that DG Go app, it did not give me that $2. Now, why I didn't end up paying $2 more is because the DG Go app also gives you 10% off of your total purchase. So that 10% off that I got off of everything was almost $2 anyway. So it came out just about the same at $8.48 for all 5 of these items, when I think I had calculated that my total due would be like $8.25 or something like that. So not a bad deal either way. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to head over to a regular store and I'm going to run this Dove deal again without the DG Go app just to see if the $2 and the $3 will combine. Okay, so this store does have the ivory, but it's priced a little higher. So it's $1.50 here, but I'm still going to use that $1.25 off coupon and grab this for a quarter here. This store also has the single Dove bars, so I'm also going to grab 2 of these again. I'm going to do the transaction that I originally planned to do and grab 2 of these for $9. While we're here, let's go ahead and grab some free toothpaste as well. We're going to grab this for $2 and use our $2 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is all I'm going to buy in this next transaction. I have 2 of the Dove body wash at $4.50 each. I have 1 of the Dove bars at $1. I got our free Crest toothpaste, and then I have an Ivory body wash. So my total, if the instant savings comes off, should be $5.25 for these 5 items. Yes, $5.25 for all 5 items. So this is a nice little $5 challenge right here to get some Dove. So I want to caution you, the 3 off of 10 exclusive coupon, if you have that, use that coupon with care, because you know how sometimes the beauty bag coupons, they will actually reload on your account. Well, mine did not just reload right now, so it seems to be one-time use only. So make sure that you use it in a transaction that you really want to. So if you want to save it for Saturday, definitely do that. If you want to use some paper coupons, wait till you have those, definitely do that. But I just want to make sure that you use that coupon wisely if you do not have more than one account that has that coupon. I do have multiple accounts with that coupon, so I'm going to go ahead and run this transaction again. But if you don't, I just want to caution you that. So let's go up to the register with these 5 items and see how this works out. All right, you guys, so I am super in love with how my second transaction came out. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see what we paid for everything. So in transaction number 2, we got the Ivory body wash, we got the Crest, we got the Dove white bar, the $1 bar, and then we got 2 of the 12-ounce Dove body wash. Subtotal came out to $5.25. We did get the double store discount. So what I did is I had her scan everything, press total, and then I let her know that I needed to enter in my phone number. Since she pressed total, my $2 in instant savings already came off, and then after I entered in my number, my $3 in coupons came off as well for the Dove. So that was a beautiful situation. So you are better off when you want to take advantage of instant savings and a store coupon, going ahead and checking out with a traditional cashier at Dollar General. We're always experimenting and learning, but we paid $5.25 for transaction number 2, but let me tell you where it got sweet. So I took my paper receipt and I uploaded it into Fetch, and I got back 2,500 points, over 2,500 points for the Dove products, because they have so many different promotions going on right now. So that 2,500 points was another $2.50 in cash back. So we paid $5.25, got back $2.50. Transaction number 2 actually only cost us $2.75, which is a beautiful thing. If you have some paper coupons and you add those in, you can probably score this Dove for free at $99, especially if you wait till Saturday to run this deal. So such a good situation. I love playing around and figuring out how things work. But even with our experimentation today for all 10 of these items, we ended up paying $11.23. After those fetch points are back, making each item like $1 a piece, I will take that all day long, especially for Dove items. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Please remember to hit the thumbs up button. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.